Hi friends! As you know, there are always two sides of the story. In the first story, Microsoft wants us to use Microsoft account when installing Windows 11. And here is the thing, regardless if you have internet connection or not, regardless if you want to use Microsoft account or not. And another story is yours and mine, where we have certain situations where we don't want to use Microsoft account, we only want to install Windows 11 using a local admin account. And this video is for you. I'll show you how to do that. If you ever try to install Windows 10, you probably know that you can skip the step where Microsoft asks you to provide your Microsoft account. You skip the step and then you proceed with a local admin account. That's not anymore the case with Windows 11. With Windows 11, you have to provide your Microsoft account in order to proceed with initial configuration of your Windows 11. But here is the trick. I will show you how by using just a simple command you can bypass internet connection and still continue with using your local admin account. So let's jump to my Windows 11 machine. Here I have my Windows 11 machine. As you can see, this machine is not connected to internet and I'm unable to click on next. The reason why I cannot proceed with the next step is because Windows 11 cannot validate my internet connection and I cannot use my Microsoft account. So basically I'm stuck here. I don't have internet connection, I don't have Microsoft account, and I cannot create a local admin account. But here is the deal. There is a trick how you can bypass this internet connection. In order to do that, when you come to this step, press Shift and then F10 to open a command prompt. And now in the command prompt, we will type a command that will bypass internet connection. So let's do that. Type oobe /bypass nro and then press enter. Your Windows 11 will reboot and then you will proceed again with the initial configuration where you will be able to add a local admin account. Let's do that part together. As you can see, our Windows 11 is rebooted and then we can proceed with the initial configuration. We select the country, we go with the United States, we click yes. We select the keyboard, we go with the US, we click yes. We skip adding the second keyboard and we can see a new option here. It says I don't have internet. So click I don't have internet and then click continue with limited setup, so where we can actually add a local admin account. And then we type the name of the account. I will just add a J. I'll click next, enter a password. We can skip this, we'll click next. And then we can see that we created a local admin account. We will proceed with all the next steps. We will accept everything here just to proceed and see how it works. And as you can see, we are almost there. Now our account is active, our Windows is active, and we install Windows 11 without using Microsoft account but local admin account. That was easy, as you can see. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with your friends and with your network. And you know, as all YouTubers say, I will do the same. Please don't forget to hit like and hit subscribe. Thank you.